4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. I'm going to talk to you today about how to train kids. Where are you going? So Brock's not my kid, but he's how old are you, Brock? 6 years old, so a young boy, wants to do a bit of boxing. You want to do some at home. You just need a set of focus pads. Where's he gone? And I'm going to show you some basics about how to actually train the kids. So Brock, come on around here. First thing you want to do is instruct to keep your hands up nice and high. So face me. Yep. Get into a fighting stance, and you can either get down this way, which gets a bit tiring, or drop down. Okay. And hands up here. Good. And then just keep it simple. So straight punches, go non-stop, and get them to punch. That's nice. Opposite. Good. Keep going. And unders, go. You can do the unders. You can do the overs. And you can do combination. So combination, left, right. Go. 1, left, right. 2, left, right. 3, left, right. Or you might do left, left, right. Go. Left, left, right. Hands up higher. Go. Left, left, right. Left, left, right. Or you might do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the main things you want to get across, the main points, is tell them to keep their hands up high. How do you do that? By getting them to feel the leather on their face, so their hands are up high. That's a really good habit. And they kind of look a bit more pro too. The next thing to get right is to punch across. So left goes here, and then right goes here. So it always goes diagonally across. Most of you kids will start and they'll punch straight. You want to go across, 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 across. That's really important. Again, across, 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 across. And the third thing is obviously just to have fun. So move around a bit, make it fun, and keep them a bit in control, but let them have a bit of fun. Okay, so 1, 2. Good, again, come on. Give me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, uppercut. Good, uppercut. Good, punch, punch. Give me 10 punches, go, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uppercut, hook, straight right. Finally, a word on format. You want to make sure your combos are simple. So things like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a good one. 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 6 punches. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Go. That's a nice simple one. Keep the combo format simple. And finally, time the round 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to go too long. Maybe 2 minutes is about maximum. Get your kid fighting fit. Why not? Was that fun? Give me a high five. Well done. Smile.